Which of the following is an example of data link layer vulnerability? A. MAC address spoofing. B. Physical theft of data. C. Route spoofing. D. Weak or non-existent authentication. The correct answer is MAC address spoofing. Which of the following is an example of physical layer vulnerability? A. MAC address spoofing. B. Physical theft of data. C. Route spoofing. D. Weak or non-existent authentication. The correct answer is physical theft of data. Which of the following is an example of network layer vulnerability? A. MAC address spoofing. B. Physical theft of data. C. Route spoofing. D. Weak or non-existent authentication. The correct answer is route spoofing. Which of the following is not a vulnerability of the data link layer? A. MAC address spoofing. B. VLAN circumvention. C. Switches may be forced for flooding traffic to all VLAN ports. D. Overloading of transport layer mechanisms. The correct answer is overloading of transport layer mechanisms. The full form of OSI is OSI model is A. Open Systems Interconnection. B. Open Software Interconnection. C. Open Systems Internet. D. Open Software Internet. The correct answer is Open Systems Interconnection. In-layer vulnerabilities are directly associated with physical access to networks and hardware. A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network. D. Application. The correct answer is physical. Which of the following is not physical layer vulnerability? A. Physical theft of data hardware. B. Physical damage or destruction of data hardware. C. Unauthorized network access. D. Keystroke other input logging. The correct answer is unauthorized network access. Which of the following is not a vulnerability of the network layer? A. Route spoofing. B. Identity resource ID vulnerability. C. IP address spoofing. D. Weak or non-existent authentication. The correct answer is weak or non-existent authentication. May be forced for flooding traffic to all VLAN ports, allowing interception of data through any device that is connected to a VLAN. A. Switches. B. Routers. C. Hubs. D. Repeaters. The correct answer is switches. The model is 7-layer architecture where each layer is having some specific functionality to perform. A. TCP/IP. B. Cloud. C. OSI. D. OIS. The correct answer is OSI. Loss of power and unauthorized change in the functional unit of hardware comes under problems and issues of the physical layer. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Is data link layer vulnerability where stations are forced to make direct communication with another station by evading logical controls? A. VLAN attack. B. VLAN circumvention. C. VLAN compromisation method. D. Data link evading. The correct answer is VLAN circumvention.